Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to move over and set up your Tag Manager account. So over here, I want you to take notice of what icon you have here and what email it is, because you need to use the same Google account for your analytics, for your Google Tag Manager, because later on down the track, if you do the right things with reading your analytics and growing your business sustainably, you will be able to get a cool report built for you, because you'll be able to afford someone like me to build out Google Data Studio reports and manage your data in an ongoing manner for moving forward, because your business is so successful, which is what data allows you to do. It helps you to find out what's working, what's not working, do more of what's working. So the key thing to remember here is your analytics profile and your Tag Manager profile is exactly the same thing. So to set up an account, all you have to do is hit create, put the name of your account here. So we are doing it for the Cairns Cruising Yacht Squadron. You make sure that you move it to the country, share data, put your website URL there, so www.ccys.com.au, hit web, you press create, and then there's a little box down here underneath it. I guess I could anyway, it's just under there. You need to tick that, and then you press yes. And then what happens because I've already done this, and what happens then is it will pop open. It will pop open with this container ID code to put on your website. So it's this one here. But when you set up a newer account, it pops up like that. And don't worry about copying it and installing it on your site yet. But we'll go through that in the Google Tag Manager, importing the container, etc. We'll show you how to bring this code and install it on your WordPress site. If you have another content management system, the main thing you need to remember is following the direction here of pasting this code in as high a page as possible, either by a developer or using a plugin of some kind. And this one here goes immediately after the opening of the body tag. So that's classed as an opening. That when it has a / on the back, that's classed as a closing. So this is saying it's high, so just after this, and this is also saying, immediately after the opening of the body tag. So that's how you install it, but I'm going to close that because we're going to use a plugin called GTM for WordPress. And we're going to install it in there, and all we're going to need is this number here. So there are a couple of ways to install it on your site, but so your tag account comes like this. And once we're gonna cover everything else about the tags and the triggers and the variables in the basic Google Tag Manager account container. And we'll do all the training over there. We just wanted to make sure those who didn't know how to set up a Google Tag Manager account got their training independently of the main course. So now let's hop over there. You're ready now to import the container and start getting some good data. All right, let's crack on.